Hi, this is Enhancement 9, I think. We worked in the uploads view, and this allows us to upload images that will be saved in the folder images inside the Acme local host we have, all database we have. So let's see. How about we upload some random image? Okay. Succeeded. Let's see. Here it is, the image we uploaded, and you can find it in here inside the images. That it creates two files with the path and the name of the second image. It's kind of different. It adds the TN for thumbnail, and also this enhancement was about having thumbnails showed below. Here they are, and let's see. We need the images of the thumbnails to have 200. Yeah, they're 200. Let's see, 200, and the bigger images are 500. There it is. Yep, we have the two extra thumbnails. Let's see. This. Here it is. So we have the image and the thumbnails. Let's see. 500, 200. Okay, so it works. Now let me see. If it's saving inside the Acme folder, the images, it's saved in here. So the new images, yeah, here they are. The new images we upload are saved also in the files, in the folder images we have. So I haven't done for each and every item. I believe I haven't, but all the images are going to be the big image with a max width of 500 pixels, and if it's a little image, here it is, it will be 200 pixels. Yeah, so that's basically the enhancement, and thank you for watching.